Welcome to Look Smarter Than You Are with Oracle Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud Service. My name is Opal Alapat, and today we're going to talk about style samples. The purpose of a style sample is to create a consistent look and feel for the entire report package. Style samples are actually required for report packages, and they follow the report package format. Therefore, if your report package is based off of Word, you'll need a Word style sample, or if it's based off of PowerPoint, you'll need a PowerPoint style sample. Individual docklet formatting can override the style sample, so as you go to upload your docklets, you can choose to override specific areas of the style sample if you so wish. Here's a list of the different options in Word that a style sample would control. When you go to upload your docklet, you will get a screen that looks like this that tells you which attributes from your style sample your docklet does not conform to. And then at that moment, you can choose to either override that feature or you can have the style sample override what's in your docklet. So some examples of the areas that style samples control are the orientation. So is it a landscape or is it a portrait report package? In addition, the size of the report package, the margin lengths and sizes, the line numbering, which means the numbers on each page throughout the entire report package, and the headers and footers. And here's an example of a Word style sample. As you can see, there's a defined header and footer, and in addition, something curious, the individual styles that will be used in this report package have been defined. It's very important to explicitly write out the styles that you'll be using in your report package, as it's the best way for EPRCS to understand what is intended by that style sample. Another interesting note to make here is that when you first go to create a report package, your style sample is required immediately up front. However, if you're not done with it, you can just upload a draft and then tweak and reload it throughout the entire reporting lifecycle. The PowerPoint style sample is quite a bit different from the Word style sample. PowerPoint style samples rely on slide masters. So when you go to upload your PowerPoint docklet, this is the screen that you will see to alert you whether or not there's an issue between the slide master that was used in the docklet versus the slide master that's being used in the style sample. If you've never worked with a slide master before, here's an example. If your report package is PowerPoint based, you'll need to get very familiar with the concept of a slide master, and you'll need to define all the different types of slides that you'll be using in your report package. The slide master controls the theme and format and layout of all the different types of slides that you'll use in your report package. Therefore, it's very important to get this correct. And just like the Word style sample, you can upload a draft, which you tweak and refine throughout the reporting lifecycle. Here's some recommendations for your style samples. When you go to create your report package, you will need your style sample at that moment, so make sure you have one ready. It can be a draft, but just know that you need one at that moment. In addition, to make your report packages look a little more pixel perfect, you will need to have your administrator upload font files for any fonts that you use in your report package to a special area of EPRCS. So for instance, if Arial is your font of choice, you will need to go find the Arial font file within Microsoft Office and then have your administrator upload it to the font area. And finally, if you're curious about how well your style sample is looking, just do a preview. You can preview the report package as an administrator, and you can see how well those docklets are conforming to the style sample that you've uploaded, and then refine it and tweak it as necessary. In conclusion, style samples are a very powerful feature of EPRCS. They allow the report packages to be consistent. They are required for each report package, and you must have one uploaded at the time that you create your report package. But you can constantly tweak them throughout the reporting lifecycle so that you can get them to exactly where you need them to be so your report package looks perfect. And one of the side benefits of style samples is that they will help you to become a Word or PowerPoint pro as you master the art of styles and slide masters.